She's pushing. Keep on pushing. Hey you, what's up my people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we'll be reacting to Putri Ariani latest track. It's called Crown. So without further ado, let's see what she have to say in this particular of her personal song. So let's dive in.
Racing through the lights, feeling so alive.
Okay, so what? Crazy. Hey, can Putri Ariani sing in this type of tempo? Because we all know Putri Ariani, she's a slow singer. She's a very casual singer. But to hear this fast tempo beat, bro, that's mind blowing, bro. That's mind blowing. That's mind blowing. And the thing is, this is her personal song. This is not a cover song. And to hear this, it moves me, bro.
Taking every chance, there's no compromise.
So she's saying she's taking every chance not to compromise. Beautiful song. Very great message. I mean, like, I do like the way how she bring forth this song, putting the message into something considerable.
With the wind in my hair and fire in my soul, this is the moment I'm taking control. It's my turn and I won't back down. I'm gonna.
So she's saying with the wind in her hair, the fire in her soul, this is the time to take control. I mean, like, yeah, she's doing great. And she's making big waves. She's creating waves like the ocean, bro. And she's gaining a lot of fans. So she's saying with the fire in her spirit and the wind in her hair, she's here to take control. Means she's gonna dominate. She's gonna make the place, you know, a big dominance, a big impact. And she's already impactful because the way how she's just going about her thing, people are loving her music. It's something that we call an accomplishment. Bro, I mean, like, she deserves the crown, bro. She deserves the crown because, you know, what she's doing now, she's a queen on what she's doing now. So she deserves the crown. She's working very hard, bro. And we should crown this female as a queen because, you know, she's a queen in her eyes and in our eyes. And also in Indonesia, where she's from, they all crown her queen, bro. So let's embrace her, give her the crown, bro. She deserves it. Bro, life is a journey, as she stated here, right? So she deserves the crown, bro, because she's working very hard for us to listen to her music, for us to understand what she's going through, because this is the time for her to shine. From November 2024 after 23rd, right? Going on forward into 2025 and beyond, right? She's gonna be that queen. Whoa, whoa, she's gonna be a leader, bro. She's gonna be the leader of the pack. She's gonna be a leader of her pack. And she's already leading. She's giving the masses and the masses is following her, bro. As if they are the disciple of her.
Every breath I take, I'm gonna seize the day. There's no time to waste.
Bro, with every breath he takes, right? She's gonna lead. So this is something that we should take into consideration, right? Because when the day comes by, she's gonna seize the day. She's gonna take the momentum as if it's her day, and it is her day. So let's embrace this impact, bro.
With a heart made of steel and dreams in my side, I'm chasing the stars. I'm ready to fight.
With a heart made of steel, right? She's chasing her dream. She's doing what she does best, right? She's chasing the stars, because when we are growing as youth, growing up into an adult, right? People always says that let us chase our dreams, right? The sky is the limit, right? And we are going to be stars one day. So this is a star that she's speaking of because she's going to be a big international superstar, and she's already paving that way, bro.
It's my turn and I won't back down. I'm gonna leave while I'm alive. I'm gonna leave, gonna rise, gonna stand my ground. Be riding so wild.
She's leading greatly, bro. She's leading greatly, and she's not backing down as well. So we have a fighter, we have a determination person, right? We have a person who will be successful, and she's already being successful. So nice one, Putri.
Yes, I got my crown. Life's a journey and I'm on this ride. I'm gonna leave while I'm alive. I'm gonna leave while I'm alive.
Life's a journey. Exactly, life is a journey, and she's leading that other life. So we have to give her a round of applause for this song. Nice one, Putri. Nice one.
I'm gonna leave while I'm alive. I'm gonna leave, yeah.
And we're not going to skip past her beautiful, heartwarming voice. Let us not forget that Putri Ariani is one of those phenomenons out there who have such great, beautiful, and astounding voice. Led people to wonder, wow, a phenomenon to listen.
Through the highs and lows, I will find my way. Gonna leave my life, put my crown with all the courage.
Bro, she's fighting, she's paving the way, bro. She's gonna lead her life to fight for the crown. We have to fight because there's a lot of competition out there, bro. And without us fighting for what we should get best, someone will take it. But not briefly though, what is destined for us is gonna be our destiny, bro. So without us fight for that destiny, someone will take it, right, and use it out there. So she's fighting for the crown, and we should give her the crown, bro. Let us not all this female though, because she's making big moves, bro.
To keep pushing on, I'm unstoppable. This is my turn. I'm gonna leave, gonna rise, gonna stand my ground. Be riding so wild, yes I got.
She's pushing. Keep on pushing. Keep on, let's not stop doing what we're doing, because if we want good, our nose have to run. And if we stop here, then what could happen next? Because sometimes when people give up too easily, that mere moment or that second after they stop, that's where the finishing line is, and that's where the victory comes. So let us not stop. Let us keep on pushing, because someday we'll break through. Someday she'll break through.
Got my crown. Life's a journey and I'm on this ride. I'm gonna live while I'm alive. I'm gonna live while I'm alive.
Bro, life's a journey, and she's on the throne, bro. So she's gonna need her other crown. She's gonna need that. She's gonna need that as a victorious moment.
I'm gonna live while I'm alive. I'm gonna live while I'm alive. While I'm alive.
Bro, let us not surpass the dancer. They are doing an incredible job, making the video bit more nicer than usual. Beautiful, Putri. Beautiful. Yo, to show her achievements, bro. I remember the first time I've met Putri for the first time. It was on America's Got Talent, where she won the golden buzzer, and from then I'm following with Putri, and trust me, bro, with me being a fan and a follower of Putri, I am not having any doubts. I'm not having any regrets to be a fan of Putri, bro, because she's doing so good. As a female who is blind, I am feeling blessed. Wow. The first time I seen her, I cried, bro. Like, she's showing what she has accomplished so far in these little clippings of her music video. And this is showing how great she is, bro. God bless her. Yo, the incredible voice. And I do not want to speed past the guitar. The rock and roll guitar, the instrument is so cool, it's so good, and Putri Ariani is managing it as if it is something simple. It's not. She's a born musician. So anything a musician does, it doesn't comes easy, bro. And to see Putri like this and she's so young says a lot about her. I love this, bro. And cut, bro. I'm saying I'm loving this video. This video is a phenomenon. A 10 out of 10 from me, Putri. Awesome. Awesome, Putri. And to see this is as if it's a movie, and I do like to see Putri in a movie as well. So let's not give up on her so easily. She has more to give, so let's wait for her what she have to give us, bro. Bro, she's gonna lead her other life. She's going for the crown. And once she get the crown, she's a queen. She's our little princess. We are the followers. So let's all give this female her props. Awesome song, Putri. Very great message. Very great upliftment message. So she never fails to uplift us. So we have to give her the credit. She's gotta lead her life with her crown. So this is a phenomenon. And if you guys enjoy this reaction, remember, leave a like, smash that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more Putri Ariani reaction. Putri, you have outdone yourself today, ma'am, and we are grateful. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.